Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a skincare video brought to you by the brand High Cream. This is a premium clay facial mask kit. It comes with 3 different face masks and a brush to apply. These remove makeup, cleanse, and soothe. We have turmeric, Dead Sea, and green tea clay face masks. This is the applicator brush. It's like a little plastic spatula. Here's the turmeric. And this has anti-aging properties. This is the Dead Sea clay mask. And this one removes blackheads and shrinks pores. Here's the green tea. This one offers acne removal and oil control. This set is for multiple types of skin, and FYI, if you didn't know, each portion of your face is different for everyone. So you can literally use all 3 of these on your face at the same time because they target different areas of the face. Be sure to check out High Cream on Amazon. I will have them linked below. They have other products as well. But for now, let me go remove my makeup and try these out. I'm gonna go in with the green tea first. This is for acne and oil control. I'm gonna use their little paddle. It's not like a brush, it's just like a rubber paddle. Since this is for oil control, I'm going to, let me see if I can get in closer without being weird. I'm just gonna put this. I probably need to take my nose ring out, don't I? I'll put some here. I get little bumps like over here, like I even have a little one right there. And then I get stuff right here. I have like a few little, so I guess this is just going basically on the T-zone. Okay, I'll go ahead and just bring that all the way down my nose. So the little paddle is kind of cool. I don't know if I like it. It doesn't feel like it like gets in the creases. You know what I mean? Okay. The green is done. Let me wash this off and go in with the other. Okay, so one thing about the brush or paddle thing, it is very easy to clean. It is easier to clean than the bristly brushes. So that is, I guess, a plus. I'm gonna go in with the Dead Sea mask. This one is to shrink pores and remove blackheads. I'm only gonna do a little bit, like here on the side of my nose, like right here in this crease. This is what I was talking about earlier, how the paddle doesn't work good for creases, like in this area, in your folds. I'm gonna bring that all the way up the sides of the nose. Lovely shot, huh? Okay. And last is the turmeric. Now this is for anti-aging. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Repairing, soothing, all of that. So I'm gonna put this everywhere else. So like on my forehead lines. I'm going to bring it over here around my eyes. I don't know if you're supposed to put this on your neck, but I am. If it's anti-aging, it's got to be okay for your neck too, right? Okay. Okay, since I have my face completely covered in the mask in the different targeted areas, the instructions say 15-20 minutes, basically just to let it dry and then come back and wipe it off. So I'm gonna go fold some laundry or do something for 15 or 20 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Dried, you can see some parts where I did it where it's not super thin and it's kind of cakey looking. You can see it's kind of settled into the lines a little bit. We have some stuff breaking up here, which I do keep going like this because I feel like I have an itch and it just kind of easily wipes off. You can like see, you see that, how easy it wipes off. This over here is a little more dry. My neck, you can see how it's just kind of caking into the line. Anyways, I wanted to show you what it looked like before I wiped it completely off. Okay, here's what it looks like. Here's my skin after I've removed everything. I did have a blemish right here and I mashed on it. I probably shouldn't have done that. Anyways, this is it. My face feels really good. And now it's time to go in with some moisturizer and go on with my day. So thanks for watching. Bye.